recording.
Okay, next technique uses the Anconeus muscle to restore forearm motion, whether it's both pronation and supination, either or. So we're going to look at palpating the Anconeus muscle on the posterior lateral elbow, giving a slight contraction of that isometrically while the patient then actively supinates and pronates. So this hand will simply palpate for the Anconeus contraction. The other hand makes a shelf for the patient to supinate and pronate into the barrier. So if we take this example of the demonstration, the patient's going to go from neutral, and then she's going to supinate into the barrier and back off, like so. So I'm going to palpate. So don't let me lift your hand towards the ceiling. Push down slightly. Okay, then she's going to supinate to the barrier, actively supinate, and go back to neutral. Supinate. Supinate. That's the trick to restore forearm supination. If you want to restore pronation, same exact technique, but the patient then actively pronates while maintaining slight elbow isometric extension. That's it.